Hello, mic checking, mic checking, mic checking, mic checking, mic checking. Hello, hello. Can you listen to my voice? Mic checking. I hope you can enter. I hope you can listen to my voice. So we will be go yes. So you can listen to my voice. So we will be trading 5K instant account that we have been trading for weeks now. As I had said last day, I went into a very big drawdown, due to which I have to trade like one more week to get a payout. We are currently at $116 in profit, and we need to make okay, thank you cartoon characters, thank you for the clarification. And we need to make around $33 more. That is, we will risk $10 to gain $33. That is 1 is to 3 trade we will be taking today. We will trade gold. Just wait a minute please, I am getting a call from my father. One moment. Sorry for the inconvenience, I am back now. So let's trade this account and take it to the payout. I will be trading one more account along with this account, which will be 1K instant account that we have got from the ITFX for free. So let me set up my phone. Let me set up my phone screen so we can see both phone screen and this uh, match trader. Okay. So let's close it for now. Add another window capture. Just 1 minute, please. Phone. Okay. So can you see my screen now? Can you see the 1K account screen for 1K account? Can you see it? I will place this somewhere around here. Okay. Is it okay? I hope you are able to see this. So we will also be taking trades in this account. Oh, that is a good, very big we will be taking trades in this account as well. I hope hiding this won't matter anything. So let's trade now. Let's analyze the market first. Let's go on daily time frame. On daily time frame, the market has already moved the half of the previous day's range, and it is looking bullish. Let's it took out this major sell side liquidity from yesterday, from March 9th. We will mark this week with quadrants. The market is rejecting from the consequent encroachment of the March 9th discount week. Looking at 1 hour, the market is reversing like a V-shaped recovery, and it took out this sell side liquidity on 1 hour. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, we are going to capture this buy side liquidity for this one. We are going for this buy side liquidity. Coming back on 5 minutes time frame, we have created this impulse move to the upside. We won't be having any kind of trades till we reach this buy side liquidity. Looking on the 5 minutes time frame, I hope I am audible. Please confirm if I am audible. Okay, so just let's talking if no one is in the chat. So we have just created a very big bullish candle. We would like to see this sell side liquidity swipe for any kind of entries into long, or better would be this liquidity to get swiped. It's currently 9:94 p.m. We can also look for CISD for our entries. We can enter with a within CISD. We had an entry here. This one, I think I woke up. No, I think I am right time on the market. This trade, that is a thunder fair value gap. Now moving up, we might get a CISD. So we will try to enter with this CISD. We have our drawn liquidity above. Looking on this left side, we have a lot of liquidities testing out the marketplace. These these singular highs are known as liquidities. The market will go and take those out, because sell stops reside above these places. Now we have a CISD. Now what we are looking for is fair value gap. Once that we if we give the if this candle becomes a fair value gap, we will try to enter with this uh, candle. If not, then we will not enter. Well, there is a volume, there is no wick above this candle, meaning we can use this wick and this body as a fair value gap. So let's wait for this candle's closer. The major liquidity is that, so we can use this as a fair value gap, because see there is no wick over here, so I will enter with on this account. 0.03 lots. I will enter here. Stop loss at $10. 0.04. Stop loss $10. TP goes to $20. Let's see if we get filled in. We have already, we need just one little bit tick. Yes, so we are filled in the 1k instant account. And now let's enter in this account. We are not using thunder fair value gap. We are using CISD plus FVG entry to enter into the markets with 1:1:2 RR trade. If we get swipe of this liquidity, then that would be also a good sign to enter into longs. Let's see if we get another CISD, then I will use that to enter on this account. Let me mark the liquidities with this account as well. I think I took a trade out of pressure, but that's not a problem. The market is fairly bullish and it will go to the bull side. I haven't taken any trade still now. Now see the there is a wick on this chart, but there is no wick on this chart. So that is the kind of problem when you're trading gold on CFD firms. So did we swipe out this liquidity? I think this liquidity has been swiped. Yeah, this liquidity has been swiped. So let's remove this one. and wait for the candle to move up. It might take our SL today. Let's if we have any liquidity, the liquidity is at this place. If we get swiped out, then we will enter again on this trade because we have a good amount of drawdown left. Let's trade on another account as well. I need to recover that account balance as well. We are looking for this market structure shift. I'm in a big drawdown on this account for no reason. If you are looking for CFD firms, reliable, cheap, that gives refunds, then you can go for blueguardians.com and apply code SachinM to get instantly 10% off, or use my link from the descriptions and apply the best code available. Now we just have to wait for the market structure shift, and that is all. We don't have any kind of fair value gap here, so we will enter with this order block. Once we get a market structure shift, I hope this is better at this place. Well, do not enter into the markets just right now if you don't have a large stop loss, as of mine in the MT5. Just wait for a body candle closer above this market structure shift. Can you see how much this structure is resisting the prices to go from going higher? That's the power of market structure shift. We are still waiting for our confirmation. The gold has begun to consolidate. can also look for sales, but for now we are in longs and the market is fairly bullish. We took this trade with this CISD, but it completely failed. Now it is going towards our stop loss. Yeah, so we took our stop loss on the 1K instant account. So we have 20 more dollars of stop loss left. So this becomes our liquidity swipe, reducing just how I got swiped by this candle. Now we wait for a market structure shift here for our re-entry. We want to see a body candle closer, then a retap, then that will be our entry to go on longs. But before that, what we want to see is a clear of this sell side liquidity, then creation of a market structure shift, and when this market structure shift is created, we will enter on that. Or other scenario is that market goes up, creates this market structure shift, retaps to the market structure shift, and then goes up. Other one of the scenarios will unfold, and we will take entry based on that. So we had a loss of $10. We can risk another $10 on this account for today, or might risk $5 to get that $10 back, then risk another $10 next time. This is oil. Oil is moving down for right now, and we had an entry here for sorts, but I'm more interested in gold for now. We had a very good entry on gold in 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes time frame, but we missed it. No data. What is this? The gold has become extremely volatile now. This is what I was talking about. The model that we were talking about, CISD plus FVG, and we take our entry with FVG, and it goes down just like that. On the next trade, I will risk only $5 to $6 on this account, and $10 on that Blue Guardian account, $50 on this account. So just wait for the model to come set up. Let's take a hypothetical trade from here. Stop loss being this market structure shift, and TP being this liquidity swipe. This is just an hypothetical trade, not a real trade. How about taking this trade on this MT5 account, on instant free account with $5 in risk? I can gain about my losses, that is $10. Let's risk $5 on this trade just for fun. And then for $10, $10 will go very low. I don't think it will go this low. This low. Should we take this trade, the hypothetical trade, into a real trade? Let's try this. If it goes to our TP, then it will be good, or we will go back, go home with $15 on loss with this on this, with $15 of loss on this account. We are taking an hypothetical trade for real. We will be filled in seconds. Yeah, we are filled in now. Let's see how it behaves. just take out our TPSL or go to TP. Now this is a very bad candle closer. Market can like wick up and then come back down. That's my concern because I'm sure that market will come to take out these lows. So that's another loss. The hypothetical trade that we took gave us a loss. This is a new 30 minutes candle. We have closed the previous 30 minutes candle, and this is the new 30 minutes candle we are trading. Either we will lose this trade or we get confirmation for the next trade. Okay. Okay, so this hypothetical trade that we took for real has been a loss. So we took two losses in a row today, and we have a confirmation for our trade from this OB. That's the Thunder OB. Now this trade will be a win for sure. Let's take this trade. What happens with this 0.3 and we enter long? We'll go for $10 in stop loss. 15 plus 10 will be 25, and we look for $25 in profit to cover all our losses. Come on, learn fast. We have an entry. Advanced orders. Stop loss will go to $10. Let's increase the lot size to okay. Make it pending order. Drag down buy limit. Let's come. No, I'll trade this later. I hope I get filled in. Let's go to closed positions. Sorry, pending positions, and set our take profit to $33. Save. Now we just want to retype into this into this Thunder OB, so we can have our entry filled in on this account. Let's mark it here, our risk to reward. And we are currently one trade in instant 1K account with $15 that we have lost $25, so our TP should be 15 plus 20, that is $35. It is 51.32. Do we have any liquidity? Yes, 51.32. Yes, we have a liquidity, a buy side liquidity at 51.32, major liquidity, and the market will surely go up there. Looking on this account, we didn't get filled in yet. You can take this entry. This is a plus entry, but it will be on your own risk. I think we are in now. Yeah, we get filled in. So we are filled in now in on Blue Guardian as well. So we will be entering the macro time frame in 13 minutes. For now, the market is consolidating. If we hit the stop loss on this MT5 account, then this will be the last trade of the day. I won't be trading anymore on this account. And what happened here? It never failed any day, but today it failed. Our Thunder model failed today. I think I should have waited for the this liquidity swipe. This is to a swipe of liquidity. So we took three losses in a row today. This is not going well. So it's all my fault. I won't be blaming anyone else. I will close this window. I will take one more trade on this Blue Guardians account because we have only $10 in losses. I can my daily risk appetite is $30 on this account. Well, if you haven't received your 1K is free instant account, I just traded. Then come here, you will receive this account for free. Many people have received this account, and you can receive this account for free too. Just join the server from the link in my bio. Let's look at NQ. What is it doing? It has come back to a new week opening gap high. Let's look at Dixie at first. The Dixie is going up. The gold should come down. If you call this a liquidity swipe, then this becomes a Thunder FBG. And if we take trade up with this Thunder FBG, we have to look for 1:5. Should we take this trade? Well, I'm on stream and I must take some trades. So let's take this trade. $10 in risk, $43 in reward. 1 is to 4.3. Or am I just being consumed under the pressure of taking a trade on this live stream? I will take the longs. Let it go to the sell side. Let's mark today's opening. So this will be end of new day opening March 12, 2026. Alt R. So the liquidity has been swiped. Now we wait for a market structure shift to look for entries. Well, this is an hypothetical trade, not a real trade. Well, this is an hypothetical trade, not a real trade. I hope you haven't taken this trade with me. Only if I had taken this trade, my TP would have been hit by now. If we get a tap of these MSS, then we will look for longs. Well, this was not a proper liquidity swipe. This one is the proper liquidity swipe. Then this was the proper market structure shift. We had this breaker, and the rest is history. Thankfully, there was no trade taken on this account. Actually, I did take one trade on this account. I will come just back now. So I'm back. We are looking for this liquidity to be swiped. So can we enter with this CISD. Let's try. Let's go for 1:1 trade. Let's use this fair value gap instead and sell limit. So from here to here and this one. So we have entered the markets. I think I should increase my stop loss a little bit up to here. Save it. Stop loss is still $10, which is a good sign, a good thing. Now this is going, all the trades are going against me nowadays, and I'm hating it right now. Let's see if a market structure shift or not. If we get a market structure shift, we will enter into this trade without any hesitation. So we will enter here. We have lost $23 today. This is not an impulsive entry at all. Our risk will be $15, and we will look for a reward of $53. Save. what is our target? Our target is just 51 130, 51 30, 51 30. So this is our target. Remember, we had planned that we will swipe out this liquidity, then it will give market structure shift, then we will enter on that trade, then this would be the real market structure shift, and this fair value gap is the fair value gap one should enter. Let's go to blue this account. We have lost dollar 23, 23 plus 23 plus 33 is equal to 56. We are currently at $42 in profit, and we are looking for another $13 and $16 more. This is our thunder fair value gap. The TP has been raised to 51 31, 51 31, something like 32. The market might retrospect to this standard fair value gap to move up again. Mm, was off. So I have entered on a this. That can you see this? The phone. This is one a part of mine in which I am losing. Like it will be blown away with $250 in loss. So I have taken a big risk of $250 and aiming for $1,000. If it's a win, I pass the account. If it's a loss, the account is breached. Yes, and take $250 in loss. Let's see what the analytics say. Oh, this is my analytics. Well, I don't want the trade to come down. I want this to take us to the TP right now. So the price is retracing back to the 100 FBG. Did it take the entry? No, I did not get filled in because of the spreads. We didn't get filled in on the MT5 again. We are waiting for our entry, and I did not take any partials in this account. Now this is a problem with MT match trader, that it prints wrong candles when you are not looking at it. Let's do some ambient music. In the MT5 screen you are seeing that is an over leverage trade. That's either win or lose trade. Either I will lose that account or I will win that account. That trade should have been from here. So we have entered into the trade. What happened? We did not take our entry. I think we don't have enough margin for that. Let's enter here long. Should I go for longs? We are losing a winning trade now. That trade is going in our favor for now. Let's do a marking of long and short position marking on this trade as well. Our trade was saved by just few points. That is 51.40. This is 51.33. I'm trading 3 accounts simultaneously. Let's. I want to break up this structure that is in the left with a big candle. We will close this 30 minutes candle in just 5 seconds, and there will be new 30 minutes candle. So we have entered the new 30-minute candle. Now this is a band candle on 30 minutes time frame. Has the market shifted to sell side delivery now? Then this will become a winning trade to the loss. coming all the way down after being in just like $10 away from payout is like really messy for psychology. And the volume has been lowered now. The market is completely going bearish right now. Things are going against my odds for a few days now. has happened to the volume today? I want to try a new overlay. Let me show you. How does it look? The market retraced back all the way back. It is moving in this channel. This will be a third loss in a row. For now, let's switch this off. We are still in this trade. And things are not looking good, not looking in our, and the orders are not looking in our favor. It might reject again after touching this trend line. trades, a loss on this trade too. We have lost the daily loss limit of for today. So that is all was that for today. Thank you for tuning in and stay safe about this. Stay safe.